Hello guys, today I want to show and make a single phase PLDC, powerful single phase PLDC motor, and how to run the PLDC motor using various type of controller. Okay, here this is the stator and end cup. Okay, here the stator is already used as a three phase connections. Now I am going to change the single phase motor connections. Okay, how to, here look at this. Here these are the six poles are there. Okay, here the pole 1 and 3 and 5 is connected series, and 2, 4, 6 another 3 poles is connected is series. So look at the here, this is the bobbin, and here this is the stator core. The bobbins are keep it in the linear position. Okay, here this is the six pole stator. The 6 pole bobbins are keep it in the linear position. So now I am going to explain how to connect. Here what is the starting end and finishing end? The nearest to the lead come out is starting end, and away from the core is finishing end. Here look at this. This is the starting end, and the outer lead is a finishing end. So you just look at this. Here the finishing end of the first coil is connected to the starting end of the third coil, and the finishing end of the third coil is connected to the starting end of the fifth coil, and the finishing end is taken out. Okay, here the starting end is taken out and the finishing end here. The same way here the second coil finishing end is connected to the fourth coil. Look at this. And the finishing end is connected to the starting end of the sixth coil. The finishing end is come out. Okay, now I am going to prepare a rotor. Here this is the PVC pipe, and this is the wheel, toys wheel. Here one door push is screwed for attaching the shaft. Okay. The pipe is divided into 6 equal phase, and a small piece of magnet is attached with the inner side. Okay, so that's why here the using anapan, the outer coating of the magnet will be damaged. That's why I am using the small magnet attached first, and then insert the heavy magnet. Okay, look at this. Here north south north south north south. Okay, here now attach the bigger magnet. Okay, here the rotor is ready. Okay, just you, in order to come out during the rotation, a metal washer to be metal plate is provided at the end of the rotor. Okay, now here the rotor is ready. Okay, now I am going to insert the rotor. Look at this. Okay, here the rotor is 6-pole rotor is ready. Okay, now just I am going to assemble the motor. Okay, Here, look at this. It can also generate a, here even a hand rotation, it generate more than 6 volt. Hello guys, here the single phase motor is ready to test. Before go to test, just I want to explain the two type of drives. Okay, here this is the single H-bridge drive and this is the dual H-bridge drive. Okay, here this is the homemade one and this is the branded item. Here this is L298N dual motor driver. Here the motor driver is used for single phase PLDC motor. First I am going to explain the L298N dual motor driver. Okay, here look at this. It is a L298N dual motor driver. The pin details here. This is VCC and ground and 5 volt signals output taken for sensor. Here this input port for connected to the sensor output, that is motor forward, motor reverse, motor to forward, motor reverse. Here the motor output 1 and 2. Okay, here now I am using the two method of run the motor, using single port and using dual port. Okay, first using single port, how to run the motor. Here the single phase two set of winding is parallelly connected and given to the motor output. Okay, here I take the signal 5 volt signal and given to the dual sensor. Okay, here when you sense the north pole, the S1 output is given to the M1F. That's why here this is the south pole and this is excited as north pole. The rotor move to align. Okay, when the south pole come here, what happen? The S2 senses and given to the feedback M1R and the supply is reversed. Both field supply is reversed. The motor, hence the motor continuously rotating. Other method using dual port. Okay, here the windings, two set of winding is separately used for. Here the first set of winding is used for motor output and the second field winding is connected to the motor output 2. Here the dual supply 5 volt is taken and the output of the dual output is paralleled for the M1F and M2F and the next M2R and M1R and M2R. Okay, that's why the two port here M1 and M2 is parallel and M1 reverse and M2 reverse parallel. That's why the both port are working. Okay. Now I am going to start the motor with L298 dual motor driver. Okay. The single phase powerful motor is running with high speed. The voltage applied is 11 volt and the current consumed 0.41 amps. Okay. Now the single phase driver is working. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to the homemade single phase driver. Okay. Here look at it is a homemade PLDC drive. It is used a single H bridge. Okay, so here this is the DC input and here is the motor output. Here this is the dual pole sensor. One is common lead and other two leads are output signal given to the drive. Okay. Here just I want to explain the circuit diagram. Here using the H-bridge drive, here 44N IRF 44 MOSFET and here 544. Here the resistor 10K resistor is connected and here is the dual sensor input is given to the switching the MOSFET drive. Okay. Here how it is working. Here when the dual sensor senses north pole, what happens? The S1 and S4 close, so the field supplies goes this directions. When the dual pole sensor sensing south pole, what happens? Okay, the S2 and S3 and S2 actuated, S1 S4 open, so the field supply direction changed here to here. Okay, that's why the motor continuously running. Okay, now I am going to start the drive. Okay, look at this. The homemade PLDC drive is working, the motor running, the power supply given DC 10, almost 10 volt, the current consumed 0.39 amps. Okay. Okay friends, if you like this project, please subscribe and press the bell button and also press the like button. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you very much.